This is the most fun thing.
Oh fuck! What are we gonna do?
Oh my god, what's going on?
Oh lord! Okay, is there any cows coming? Don't go down the hill, we'll die!
Yeah, turn around.
Okay, we'll go this way.
Yes!
No,
Yeah, no, go on, go faster. Oh shit. He's not going to make it back up.
We'll be pulling the car.
Becky, if you take it round there, that'd be really stupid, wouldn't it?
Tell him not to go faster because I don't want to die. We need our kayaking helmets on for protection. Oh, there's a car coming.
Yeah, will we quick? That's like miles away. No! Oh my god, this is weird.
I'm gonna go sad!
Let's go wrong. Oh my god, this is cool.
Stop! Stop!
Calm down. We'll be right.
We're gonna hit the fan at that side! Oh my god, up the hill!
Whee!
This car's gonna get stuck! Oh my god!
By the way, we are in a kayak.
Funniest thing ever.
Oh, stick your feet down and pick up loads of snow.
Oh shit, round the corner, it's gonna hit
This is so fun! Oh my god.
Why didn't we think of that? Oh,
this is totally awesome. Oh wait, can you turn around?
No. Oh crap. Okay, we'll untie. Yeah, let's untie. Hold on.
Again!
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
And off we go.
I want Rachel to get it and go past, because no one can see what we're in.
This is so fun. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
No, we're fine. We're good at
We can see her though. If you lean on one side.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, into the car, into the car. Oh shit. I bet that we definitely coming. Is there anything coming?
No, but we're gonna hit the car!
Okay, it's okay. It's the curb.
Eagle! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Wait for!